In today's tooltip, I'll show you a way to split release into operations. For example, in OD corner end finishing, once I open this operation, you have two reliefs, primary and secondary relief. And if you go into the operations, there is a split into operation per relief that's grayed out. Now, as you keep adding more and more reliefs and you have more number of floats, you probably need control of your OD, the end phase, pivot or clearance, the orientation, especially in the end corner and the end phase, so that you avoid the next float when you have more number of reliefs. So if I go in here and grind reliefs, instead of primary, secondary, I put multiple reliefs, then you still have only control of your orientation and clearance for primary relief and then subsequent releases. But you may want control for all the other reliefs that you have added. Say you have 3 or 4 reliefs and you want to control this individually. Now you can go into operation, split into operation per relief. And then what happens is when I go to OK, you can see relief 1, 2, 3. Now these reliefs are all linked and you get the same parameters. But what happens is individually you can control these operations. Now for number 3, you can control your orientation and pivot clearance, etc. So this is a new feature that's been added for corner radius and ball nose tools to control individual reliefs as operations.